Newark, New Jersey. The flight is arriving from Hong Kong. This is seat 16A.
Flight attendants, please be seated for arrival.
New York City out there. Empire State Building.
Continental Airlines, along with Star Alliance, our global partners, would like to welcome you to New York and the Newark Liberty International Airport. Please remain comfortably seated with your seatbelts fastened till the captain has parked the aircraft at the terminal building and has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. is the first port of entry into the United States, and everyone on board will be clearing U.S. Customs regardless of your destination. Please have your arrival forms and your passports readily available for inspection. Make certain you take all your personal belongings with you off the aircraft. Anything left on board will be confiscated by the U.S. government. If you're making connections to other Continental flights here in Newark, as you leave the custom hall, agents will be available to recheck your baggage to your next destination. We will be arriving at Terminal B today, and all of our Continental collections we made from either Terminal A or Terminal C. Monorail service, the air train, connects the 3 terminals here at the Newark Liberty International Airport and can be reached on the upper level. If you have any questions, require any further assistance, I'll be at the main cabin door along with our ground staff to further assist. I would like to remind everyone on board there is no smoking, the use of cellular telephones or cameras once you enter the Customs and Immigration Hall. On behalf of all of us here at Continental Airlines, it's been a sincere pleasure having you on board. We certainly hope you've enjoyed your flight with us, and we look forward to serving you again when next you travel. A very pleasant good afternoon.
各位乘客歡迎到達紐克洋國際機場，現在當地嘅時間係11月10號星期二下午嘅1:07。我哋即將運行幾分鐘，以上可以使用手提電話。喺機長扣緊安全帶嘅指示燈之前，各位乘客繼續留喺你嘅座位上，扣好安全帶，並收好所有緊急行李。喺離開機艙時，記得檢查座位記得吊袋、頭頂行李箱，唔好忘記你嘅個人物品。打開頭嘅行李箱要小心，因為行李可能喺消防通道位。各位乘客，因為由於紐亞克我哋進入美國境內嘅第一站，所有乘客都必須喺紐亞克辦理過關手續，並且提取行李。而喺呢度請各位乘客注意，美國政府規定喺移民同海關區域不准使用手提電話或者影相機。如果你違反條例，海關人員可能會收你嘅手提電話同影相機。多謝你嘅留意同合作。喺進入大樓後，你可以用呢個標誌機上照片熒幕，因為我哋美國大陸航空服務代表查詢轉機嘅詳情。而需要轉機嘅乘客，如果你喺機場購買咗有3安士或以上嘅軟體免稅商品，喺過咗海關區，海關人員檢查完你嘅行李之後，並將專業計證嘅免稅商品放喺你哋會託運嘅行李箱中。搭火車前往紐約市、紐約西捷運站或者美國各地接駁站嘅乘客，前往空中火車處，詳情可以參與喺你耳袋內嘅 MC 站址。我謹代表美國大陸航空乘務聯盟同全體機員多謝你今日乘搭呢班航班，同埋喺不久嘅將來再一次為你服務。
Alright, there we have it. In Newark, Continental Airlines for the 7200, seat 16A, arrived from Hong Kong. This way because we're about to approach our gate. There's another Continental 777.